Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe, maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 16 and the chapter name is My India about food and clothes. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Because once the school will open, I just want all the homework because I have all the records. So it's better that you should complete your all homework in this free time. So you have a lots of time. So please use the time. Do not waste your time. Please complete all the homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, in your SST copy. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly and please use the guidelines which government has told to follow the rules due to COVID-19. And so I'm going to start the chapter. So please watch these videos till end. In this chapter we will know about the food and clothes of our India. So let's start the chapter. So I'm going to read the chapter. You also read with me. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's start the chapter. India is a big country with 29 states and 7 union territories. We all know that India is what? It's a very big country. It's a very big country and it has with 29 states and 7 union territories. You have read early that the different states of our country had different kinds of landforms and climate. So in the previous earlier chapters we all learned that if in different states of our country we have different kinds of landforms and we have a different kinds of climate. In some places such as Assam, it rains a lot, but in other parts such as Rajasthan there is hardly any rainfall. So we have learned also that in some part like in Assam, if Assam receives a lot of rainfalls, but the other parts of Rajasthan, that Rajasthan is alternatively there is only a very hardly a short period of time rainfall. So only a scarcity of rainfall. So in same places like Darjeeling's winters are very cold, whereas winters in Goa are pleasant. So like in other places also like Darjeeling. In Darjeeling also the winters are very cold because Darjeeling is placed, it is in hilly areas. So that hilly areas, the area it is covered with snow. That's why the area in winter season, the Darjeeling in winter season also very cold. But in Goa, because it is a very hot places. So that's why in winter Goa is what? It's quite pleasant. These differences affect our daily life. So if weather changes, if weather can change or if any places can change, then it can changes our daily life also. It can affect our food life, our clothing systems, how we can live. So it is everything it can change and it can depends on the weather and climate also. So the differences affect our daily life, especially the food we eat and the clothes we wear. So especially that if the climate changed, then it affects our daily life, but especially the foods that what we eat, the foods and the clothes we wear. So it affects. Now let us find out more about this. Now we can see because it's the chapter of food and clothes, then we can see that how it affects when the weather can change. So we will see much more about in this chapter. So please do not skip the videos. Please watch the videos till last. Now about the food. As our country is so vast, people in different parts eat different kinds of food. So we all know that our India is very big. So if it's big, then different peoples are there in different parts and they can eat different kinds of food. So the food that people eat in different regions depend on the crops grown there. So the food what the peoples are going to eat in different regions, in different parts of the India, it depends on the crops that grown there, that grown on that areas. So crops are growing according to the climate and the soil found in different places. Exactly, the crops is what it can grows according to the soil and according to the season also, according to the climate also, then it can grows in different places. In northern states of India, people prefer wheat but eat rice as well. So in northern states, in the northern parts of the country, of our country of India, people prefers what? They just eat the wheat also, but they can eat the rice as well. Cereals like bajra, maize and jowar are the common eaten in the state of Rajasthan. So cereals like the bajra, maize, jowar, these all are commonly we can found in the state of Rajasthan, in the eastern part of the state of Rajasthan. People here also use jaggery. Jaggery we can call gur also. So the people is what? They can also use in the northern, in the eastern, in the state of Rajasthan, they can also use the jaggery which is called gur. Next, in the southern part and the eastern states, rice is the staple food. So in the southern and in the eastern states, the rice is what? It is the main food that people eat a lot in food. Next, in the coastal areas too, people eat rice and use a coconut of oil in their cooking. So in the eastern, in the coastal areas like in the Kerala, Goa, on the people who lived on that areas, on the coastal areas, the people as what they prefers to eat the rice, but they can use the coconut oil to making the food, to making the vegetable also. Normally we used to cook like oil, food oil, which cooking oil which we used to make especially, but the coastal areas of people they just use the coconut oil in their cooking, means whatever they just want to cook, they just use the coconut oil. Pulses like various types of dal, pulses like chana dal, moong dal, so they are popular all over the country. These all are the popular in all over the country. Next we will talk about the fruits. A vast variety of fruits and vegetables are also grown in India. Exactly, the fruits, different types of fruits we have, the strawberry, then apple, banana, grapes, guava. These all are the fruits and vegetables. It also grown in India. So Kashmir is famous for apples, cherry and strawberries. So Kashmir, it is a hilly areas, so we can grow a crops and it is famous for also apples, cherries and strawberries. Next, Nagpur in Maharashtra. Nagpur, it is a places in Maharashtra, is well known for oranges. So in Nagpur, which is in Maharashtra, it is what here we can find lots of oranges. Next, Alfonso mangoes are grown in the Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. So in the district of Maharashtra, Ratnagiri, we can find Alfonso's mango which is grown in the Ratnagar. Goa and Kerala are famous for coconut. So we can know it's a coastal area. So Goa and Kerala, it is what? It is famous for the coconuts. Next, crops, fruits and vegetables are moved from one place where they are grown to other parts of the country. Exactly, the crops, fruits and vegetables, it can move from one place to another. Like suppose in Rajasthan, if there is cereals, we can grow the cereals. Then the cereals, it can go in the different places also, in the different parts of the other country also, which the people needs. So that's why these all the crops, it can move from one place to another through the sellings, and we can just we can just buy these all from the different countries and then we eat these all things. Now about the next topic, we will see in the next video. So please guys watch the next video. It's interesting. It's much more about our country, about the food and clothes. So please guys watch it. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.